quoting taking too much time? The process of gathering data from multiple stakeholders adds processing time when preparing a quote or cost sheet. No wonder service bureaus and Fortune 500 OEMs report quoting taking anywhere from 1 hour up to 8 hours to create. A few reasons getting a fast and accurate quote is important. Shorter turnaround times help your business award orders quickly, improving customer experience and retention. By getting an accurate quote, facility reps and internal clients can easily determine if they should make or buy. The majority of these quotes are based on the machine's run rate, bounding box, labor, post-processing, quality assurance, and shipping costs. Now this sounds great, but one factor of this equation typically throws off the entire calculation. The pitfalls of the minimum bounding box means you're overestimating the materials needed to complete the order. You're not accurately calculating the material volume for support structures, and you're unable to forecast production time to complete the order. When you forecast that a job will take 10 hours, but it really takes 13, then your production schedule may be affected. As orders and production volumes grow, having a system that accurately quotes and forecasts build time is vital. This affects scheduling, post-processing, quality assurance, and even inventory management. What you need is a solution that automatically simulates the true volume of the CAD file, with slicing and nesting based on machine and material parameters. Link 3D does just that. Our build simulation accurately determines the material volume required to complete the order, the build time, the number of runs needed to complete the job, and scheduling jobs on our production planning system. The build simulation calculator not only creates a more accurate quotation, but it also helps you decide whether to make or buy, identify the number of materials for inventory management, and if you don't quote clients, you have a system that tracks costs for reporting purposes.